Never you give away the old for the new.